no, look at this house. It is the messiest house in the world. Mom walks into the room. She cannot believe her eyes.
Oh my, what happened to this room? Children, Thomas, please come here now.
Emma comes down the stairs first. She is always the fastest.
What is wrong, Mom? Is everything okay? Oh, before we start, please like this video and comment what story you want next.
Oliver and Thomas arrive. Oliver is still sleepy.
Look at the living room. It is so messy.
I do not see a mess. I see all my friends.
Okay, everyone. Today we clean the house together. Emma, your job is to dust all the shelves.
Yes, Mom, I will make them shine.
Oliver, please pick up all your toys from the floor.
All of them? But there are so many.
Do not worry, buddy. I will help you first.
Thomas, after that, please vacuum the whole floor.
My favorite machine! I love vacuuming! Everyone starts working. The big cleaning day begins. Emma starts dusting the bookshelf. She is very careful.
Achoo, no, it's dust! Achoo!
Oliver and Thomas pick up the toys together.
Dad, look! I found my robot! He was under the pill bed!
Nice. Now put Robot in the toy box too, okay?
But I want to play with Robot.
First we clean, then we play. That is the rule.
Okay, Dad. Goodbye, Robot. See you soon.
Anna cleans the kitchen. She wipes every surface.
Mom, I finished all the shelves. They are so clean.
Wonderful job, Emma. Can you wipe the table now?
Suddenly, Oliver shouts from the living room.
Dad! Dad! I found Teddy! He was on the sofa!
Teddy Bear! Welcome home! We missed you, buddy! Oh, buddy, you brought him back safe and sound! After 1 hour, the house is finally clean.
Oh, look at our beautiful house. It is perfect.
We are an amazing team! Great job, everyone!
Cleaning is fun when we do it together. And I found Teddy! This is the best day ever!
Question for you. What did Oliver find under the sofa? Was it Robot or Teddy Bear? Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more English stories. See you next time. Goodbye.